Hello folks, I'm going to bring you along while we put together the FMS 1400mm T28. Got my phone mounted on my chest here, and hopefully this will all stay in frame. We'll see. If not, I'll redo it so it all stays in frame, and we're going to put that thing together. So here's the wing. So you notice the wing has two multi-plugs. Everything runs through these mixer boxes, and that is going to go on and go right in that hole. And that goes right into your battery bay and going to plug right into your mixer board. We're halfway done. Got 4 screws. I like to keep my screws in little plastic containers in my tool bag. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me just see if I can zoom you out just a little. There we go. And now my absolute favorite field tool. This one doesn't have as many bits as the big square one, but this is without a doubt the most torque in a little pin screwdriver that I've ever seen. Push the top. You got the screwdriver, and then we're going to use the 2mm bit. The tray's magnetized, and it's got some settings here. Right now it's on lock. There's high there and low there. So we're going to go to high. Make sure my alignment's good, and just press the button. I don't know if you can hear that, it's very quiet. As soon as I feel that snugging, go to the next one. This takes all the work out, does all the twisting for you. Okay, that one's starting to bite or snug down. Get you down a little more. And the last one. These are very long-winded screws. And you can see the foam there around the doubler kind of start to compress. I guess that point where the screwdriver is bogging down, that's plenty good. All right. Now we're going to flip it over. Have it upright on the stand. See if you can see through this mess. Here's the 2 cables that come through that hole, and they're keyed, and whichever side is on which is the side that gets plugged into this mixer board. There's one, the left. I can grab a hold of it. Get in there. And there's the right. That's it. Now we're ready for a battery. My plane is assembled. It's just that easy. If you're ever thinking about any of these big ones, the P51 is assembled the exact same way. 2 cables that run from the center of the wing and go up into the fuselage, 4 bolts, 2 plugs, and you're ready to fly. All right, that's kind of it. I just wanted to take you along for a little how these go together at the field. It's quick and easy, surprisingly, for most of these planes, and we're going to get them up in the air. Thanks for watching.